Now what are you doing, Ronnie?
Got a windshield.
You put on a windshield. Where can the people get that? They can get that at Main Street Cycle, can't they?
I believe so.
Full windshields, yeah. They can get that right at Main Street Cycle. Look at that. Wonder how that goes on. So we got the plastic off back a little bit and put the rubber on. Now he's putting the bolt through the cage and the spacer that they come with. That's a tight hole, Ronnie. That's what she said.
It's really tight.
Smack, it'll draw it. Wow, that's a big, those are big. Let me see about squishing that down with the vise. All right, now that we unrounded it, we had to unround it again. I don't know why they wouldn't just include the kit. Yeah, see, there you go. There's your spacers. Now we're gonna get the this bracket in. Actually, he can do the other bolt. You're gonna want a breaker bar for this, guys. His weren't that tight, but they need to be tight. So see this? See this? Yep. There's a lot of pressure on that cage. All right, get those bolts put on there. Give me a nut and I'll go find a wrench. Looking good, Ronnie. That don't look half bad. Yeah, guys, we're starting to work on the Wrecked CFMOTO ZForce. Next is installing some bushings and some new sleeves and bolts in the A-arms and some new bearings and having it ready for May, because where are we going, Ronnie?
We're going to Tishomingo, Mississippi. That was close.
To the Main Street Cycle CFMOTO takeover ride. Not a lot of people can. I know a lot of people that messed that one up. So guys, you can pick your ATV, UTV accessories up, such as the windshields, half windshields, lift kits, bigger tires, LED lights. You name it, you can get it all right at Main Street Cycle. They'll be glad to hook you up. Just let them know that your favorite person, RedNeck Garage, sent you. Now what you got to do, go over it and make sure everything's tightened up, huh?
Everything up.
Yeah. We just wanted to get it all fitted together, make sure we didn't have any adjustments to make before we tightened every single bolt. Because I've been there before. You tighten bolts as you go, and then you got to untighten them because, yeah. So we're just better off to leave them loose until we're ready. Now what you need? Wrenches? Yeah, look, I got tools everywhere, Ronnie. Why would you come over to my house and make this mess?
I didn't make it. It was already here.
Bulls! You know what?
No, but I know.
Why are you blaming me for?
Because I don't live here.
Why are you blaming me for? No, you work here. You don't live here. He works here. Right? Works on his own stuff here. Guys, check this out. Well, Ronnie's tightening up. Guess what? I made some alignment sticks for the Z-Forces. Check this out. So, these cost me $4 to make. Well, and some zip ties. So what you do is you put it like that on the inside of your tires. Right here, right on the rubber. Make sure your tires are pumped up the same. And then you slide it out. And you got your reading right here. So I made two of them. One can go in the front and one can go in the rear. We might have to jack it up a little bit. But I doubt it. It's small enough. It should be able to go in there. And then you can read your reading. And what you want to do is you want to get them to the same number. And then you want to toe them out 1/4 of an inch total toe. You don't really have to do that, but you can. I don't know if you guys are understanding me, but this is super sweet, super simple. So all I did was get 4 98-cent yardsticks, and I put them together where the measurements are 1 and 1. So I could measure the inches on front and rear at the same time. And I took some zip ties, and I stapled them to one side. Yeah, guys. And then they slide in up and down, and yeah, alignment sticks for $4. You can pick those up at your local Lowe's. I welcome some sponsorship. I'm full of Lowe's stuff. Hey, just finishing snugging everything up. Yeah, guys, this is a pretty nice windshield that he got for his Z-Force. What? It is a little bit high there. I wonder why. Might need to tweak that bracket. That's probably all we need to do is tweak some brackets.
We have that all the way down.
We do have it all the way down, but if we go up with it and tweak it out a little bit, or you know what we can do, we can tweak this bracket. Not a big deal. That's not a big deal at all, really. But it seemed like it moved on us. I don't know, we'll figure it out. It's still a nice windshield, though. What's that?
Yep. I said, are these Allens?
Yeah, they're Allens. I love this iPhone. It's got the best freaking camera on it. Yeah. Trying to hold this for him. Well, guys, there you go. We just got to tweak them brackets a little bit more, and it'll sit right down on there like it's supposed to. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know. I know you guys are interested in seeing us fix this. He picked this up for $5,000 cash. It only had, no, 48, 49. Paid $4,900 for it cash with a title. We got it street legal. We did turn signals. It's only got 800 miles on it. It real low hours, but it was ran in a campground, and they wrecked it. So it wasn't badly wrecked, but it did a lot of sitting. The bushings are kind of rusted and just tore up. So just needs normal maintenance stuff, really, other than the panel. Well, they messed up that tire, but they tore that panel. We're going to either replace the panel, or we're going to do a pretty sweet like zip tie stitch job for battle scars. You know, we like that type of stuff. We're that kind of people. We like battle scars. And if it ain't hindering the driving of the machine, then who cares? I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you get on over to www.mainstreetcycle.com and pick out your accessories that you would like to have. If you have any questions, please message me. Here coming up, we're going to be doing a synthetic rope and the winch. And probably what we'll do is pull the front plastics off. Yeah, it's got a steel cable, but we'll probably pull the front plastics off just so we can get the camera in there and show you guys what's going on. That's coming up real soon, so stay tuned. Got anything to say to the camera? No? He don't care about you guys. He don't care about you guys. See how Ronnie, and you guys like Ronnie. What the hell? All right, guys. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.